Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am featuring the stamp set Sweet Ice Cream. This comes in a bundle with a punch, but I'm not going to use the punch today. I'm going to use a 2-inch circle punch. This is just a scrap piece of basic white paper, and I have put the punch on my table and press down. Did you know that's the proper way to use these punches? The nice thing is I didn't have to line anything up, and I used some Bermuda Bay ink to stamp the Treat Yourself sentiment. Now, this image comes from the Ice Cream Corner Designer Series paper, and we will be using a lot of that for this card. What I'm doing here is I just cut out one of the images from the Designer Series paper or pattern paper, and I have fussy cut it, which just means I cut around it to make it a single entity. Now I have put dimensionals on the back of that ice cream cone, and I'm also going to put dimensionals on my circle and then double up on the ice cream cone part. Now, this is the same Designer Series paper, Ice Cream Corner, and it's got that cool waffle crumb cake look. So I'm going to take that piece. That piece is 2.5 by 3 3/4, and I'm going to adhere it to a basic white piece that is 2 5/8 by 3 7/8. Then I'm using a Flowers for Every Season ribbon, and I'm going to tie that into a pretty bow. I'm going to skip forward on this because, you know, in order for me to make it look pretty, it takes me 45 minutes, and no one's got time to watch me fuss making a pretty floofy bow. So there it is. Now I'm going to cut off the excess and adjust the positioning. Oh, it just came together so cutely, don't you think? Now I'm going to put dimensionals on the back of that. So this is my focal piece, okay? So I'm going to put dimensionals on the back of, oh, pardon me. I have to adhere the white piece to the Bermuda Bay piece, and that is size 2 3/4 by 4. Now I'm going to put dimensional adhesive all over the back of that. So that whole piece is my focal point. So, and this is a simple card. It just has a lot of components to it. So that's the reason why I'm sharing it on Monday. So this piece is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8, and I'm adhering it to a Bermuda Bay piece of card that is 4 by 5.5, and then I will put just dry adhesive on this and attach it to a regular half sheet piece of basic white card. I showed you that little trick the other day about when 3 sides are even as you're positioning your pieces, that 4th side should be even if you have cut the paper correctly. All right, folding the card base down, and I did fussy cut some of these ice cream bits out of the Designer Series paper. I'm using them on the inside. And then they are called Ice Cream Corner Sprinkles, and my fine tip glue pen, I just put a whole dotted glue down there, and then I am just alternating the colors of the sprinkles. These sprinkles are like, I don't know, like fun foam almost, I think. I think they're made of like fun foam. Anyway, they're kind of squishy and soft to touch. And the only thing that they were missing was just a little bit of glitter. So after I have adhered all of my little pieces, and I just did a spray, I felt like the top and I don't know, the circle was a little too stark. This is a pretty busy card, but it's so cute, don't you think? I love it. So the only thing that I needed to do was put some Wink of Stella. So that's what I did. I put Wink of Stella on the ice cream. And then I also did the Wink of Stella. And I'm giving you a super close up of these sprinkles. And they just needed that little extra bit of sugar, don't you think? All right. Well, that's my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me. And I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.